Welcome to Bigly Sales. Our mission is to give small businesses the same tools global brands are using. Today, you're going to learn how to select an audience. You can filter all the lists at once by country, state, city, title, and company. You can also filter by the tags that you've added to a list or individual. We have done a separate video explaining how to create and organize tags. If you haven't seen them, please go to our YouTube channel for more information. Once you've filtered your database, you can choose which individuals you would like to select. You can also choose the phone number if the person has multiple numbers. The default option is Select All. If you're sending messages on a regular basis, you can ignore contacts that have been recently messaged. Click on the box next to Ignore Contacts and select the time frame you would exclude. For example, if the gray box is set for 12 hours, it will not send messages to anyone that has been contacted in the last 12 hours. You can set this exclusion to any time frame you choose. Note, don't message people too often. Bigly recommends no more than once a week unless you're sending reminders or in-person appointments. Now that you're done selecting your audience, you can schedule your blast for any future time and date. Click on the Schedule button at the bottom right of the screen. This will take you to a calendar where you can select a date and time, then click on the Schedule button. The message will be sent at the same time and date you've scheduled to the audience you have selected. If you want to send the text blast right away, just select your audience and click the Send on the bottom right. That's it, you're all done. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Thank you for watching Bigly Sales Text Blast tutorial. Now it's time to work less and earn more. Please feel free to share any success stories in the comments below. We will see you next time.